Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to clear the cache on Android. So it's pretty simple, let's get started. First of all, you guys have two ways to clear the cache on Android. First one on browser and second one on applications. So cache file is basically whenever you use some application, then system will create cache files in order to make efficient browsing for you. So it produces lots of difficulties in your mobile phone like storage problem or many other applications bugs. So in order to fix this, you guys have to simply first of all open up any of the browser which you want to clear the cache. So I am opening my browser. So after opening up my browser, you guys have to just simply tap on the top right corner of options button, which is right next to tabs. So here you guys have to just simply tap on history. So after tapping on history, here you guys have to just simply click on clear browsing data. So after clicking on clear browsing data, here you guys have to just simply select the time range of which you want to clear the cache. It's based upon you. If you want to clear the cache data from last 4 weeks, last 7 weeks or last 24 hours, you just have to select according to your need or according to your system performance. So after selecting the whole that, you guys have to just check all the marks: browsing history, cookies and site data, and cache images and files. After selecting all, you guys have to just simply tap on clear data. So after tapping on it, here you guys have to just simply tap on clear. So after tapping on clear, it will remove all the cache or it will clear all the cache on your browser. And let me gonna show you how you can clear the cache from any of the application. So in order to clear the cache on any of the application, you guys have to open up phone settings. So after opening up your phone setting, here you guys have to just simply select the app section, and here you guys have to just tap on see all apps, and here you guys can be able to select any of the application of which you want to clear the cache. Assume that I want to remove the cache from Chrome, so you guys have to just tap on it, and here you guys have to just simply select the storage and cache data. After tapping on it, here you guys can be easily tap on clear cache, and in this way you guys can be able to easily clear the cache on Android. So hope you guys would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.